One of the things that separates Perfect White Smile from the rest of the crowd is that we don't just put porcelain veneers on every teeth we see, whether you have a good bite or a bad bite, whether you're clenching or not clenching. We want to solve all the problems and we see what all the problems are. And so that's what I'm an expert in. I'm an expert at really changing a bite to a more physiologic, correct position and testing it, making sure it's beautiful. And then we actually place the porcelain veneers in this more physiologic, correct bite position. I always give the analogy of Hercules being super strong. When you look at Hercules, because he's so beautiful, you figure he's probably working really well. So aesthetics and function, they sort of roll together. Form follows function. They roll together.